Okay, hi, welcome to Barbecue Like a Boss. I've recently got a new purchase. It is a beautiful little Weber. Have a look, Jaden, show them the beautiful Weber. Okay, I paid $50 on Gumtree. That's right, 50. Absolutely unbelievable. So if you have a look, it's straight up. Even came with the original bag of coals, but it's a simple jobby. Usual one here. Heat beads, simple hot plate, some fire starters. So we're going to christen this today. We're going to christen it with, aren't we? We're going to christen it with some ribs. We're going to make some ribs. It's the first time, hold the camera up, buddy. It's the first time I've done ribs, so it'll be interesting to see how it all turns out. Cool, let's get into it. Well, my 5-year-old videographer is giving up the ghost. Yeah, my 5-year-old videographer has given up on me, so I'm going to have to continue filming myself. I'm just going to add some rub to the mix. There you go. About a tablespoon of chili powder. Oh, hello, you're back. A tablespoon garlic powder. What do you think, Jaden? 1, 2.
I'm going.
You going? And
I was checking it. What is this?
paprika. Tablespoon.
Paprika.
Give
Well,
or
is
take.
that paprika under the bottom?
Doesn't have to be exact. Of paprika. Now, can you give that a bit of a stir for me, Jane?
Okay, I will.
Give it a stir. First attempt. We've got ourselves one.
Big chicken.
Not a chicken. It's ribs. Ribs. So what we're going to need to do is clean that up a little bit. It's got a bit of fat on it. So we'll pull the membrane off the back here. See this? This here. Don't do that. We'll cut that off, peel that off, clean it up. Our ribs. Now what we need to do is just clean up our ribs a little bit. That's what I like to do. Then we'll give this a quick spray, and we'll give the other side a quick spray. First time I've ever attempted this. And we'll put the rub directly on, making sure it's completely covering it. Lovely bit of ribs. Be hot. Ready?
Whoa.
Wow. Have a look at that. It's looking good. Oh, the smell. Look at the smell of that.
Yeah.
Wow, that looks great. Alright. So now we're going to get some of this, Jaden. Do you want to do this? Alright, come over. Just remember the whole thing's hot, so don't touch. Okay, we're going to put it on top and baste it. Okay, so you do it. You do it. There you go. There you go. Alright, let's have a look. It just pulls apart, look at that, off the bone.
Woo.
Oh, perfect.
Perfect.
Look at that, beautiful. I'm gonna have a little taste here. That's beautiful.